Hey guys, my name is Shashank and welcome back to this another video. And today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can design beautiful, cool and professional looking presentations without even using any professional software just like Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides and Adobe softwares, but you can design these beautiful, elegant and professional looking presentations online using free websites. So interested? Yes. So let's get started and see that how you can do that without even using any professional designing skills. Now you can see that these presentations looks beautiful, right? Perfectly aligned and everything seems that they have designed by some professional designer. So let's see how to do that. So to do that, you have to create your account on Canva.com. So this is my all-time favorite website which I use for almost for all of my projects like designing presentations, creating documents and any social media templates which I use on my websites or my social media pages. I design on Canva.com. So this is free, this is beautiful and this is professional, and you won't get any website just like Canva.com. So it's simple. After you have created your account on Canva.com, you will get something like this, right? And now you have to try and search for a presentation, right? You can see that I have already the search history available. Presentation, simply click on presentation, right? And you will see a lot of, I would say hundreds of pre-designed templates which you are ready to use. They are easily editable and you can edit them, add your content, customize them, and then download it and download those presentations in any format you want. You can download them in PDF, you can download them as a video, you can download them as PowerPoint templates, right? So let's see how to do that. So there are multiple options available. If you want to use any pre-designed templates, you can simply select any one of these, or if you want to start with a blank presentation, simply go here with the blank presentation, click here, right? And you will see you will get a blank presentation 16:9, the default ratio which we use in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now this is blank presentation, simply white background, right? So if you want to spend some time and if you want to design your own presentation, you can use the design elements, colors, text, everything from this website and design your own presentation. But if you don't want to waste your time in designing, and if you have no idea how to do that, simply use any pre-designed template and start with those templates. So there are multiple templates you can use. If you are designing any educational presentation, simply go to this section, hit on see all, and you will see all those pre-designed templates which you can use. So I think this one looks cool, so let's try this mathematic lessons. So now if you see, there are 16 slides in this presentation, right? So if you want to use all the 16 slides, simply click on apply all 16 pages. But if you want to choose any one or two or any specific slide, simply select that slide, click on that slide, right? For example, I want to start with this first slide, simply click, and you will see this slide will be available on this editable canvas. Now you can edit it. If you want to change from mathematics to physics, you can simply type physics here, right? Physics lessons, right? If you want to change your academy name, for example, you are Minds Academy, right? So this is how you can see, this is how they are very easily editable, right? So I have designed my first slide, right? So if you want to animate it, simply go to this animation option, right? And there are multiple free options. So all those without this sign, they are free, you can use them, right? For example, if I want to use this block, so this is how you will animate, right? Simply select, and if you have multiple slides, you can apply to all of them, right? Simply it's up to you. So I have now applied this block animation, so my first slide is ready. So you can see this is how it's super easy to design these beautiful templates. And if you now want to add multiple pages, simply you can have either go to this plus sign, add page, right? So now it will take the default theme color from the first slide, but if you want to change it, you can simply select and change the color whatever you want to do, right? So all these colors are the document color which are available in the template. So I will go with the blue, right? So if you want to type anything, if you want to add anything, you can simply go to these text option, right? Select any text element from here and drag it on this slide. Simply, I think this one is the available here. I can select and drag it on the canvas, and you will see that it will appear on this slide. You can now select, double click it and edit it, right? So this is how you can add your own elements. But if you don't want to add but you want to use the templates, simply go to the template option, select the slide which you want to replace with the template slide, and simply select the slide which you want to use. I will use this one. It will ask you whether you want to replace the page or add this slide as a new page. So I will replace it, right? So now you can see the slide number 2 is already. So you can see that slide number 2 is ready. So this is how you can add multiple pages here, right? So if you want to select all the pages and you want to use all the pages, in any case, simply select apply all 16 pages. So you will see that all the 16 pages will be available on the canvas, and you can then edit them, design, add your own text, elements, whatever you want to do, right? So if you want to add any element, there are the elements option available. If you want to add any background audio or music, the audio option available here, right? But I will not go to these designing elements, because in this video I will just focus on to the pre-designed templates, right? So this is how you have designed a template, and now let's see how it will look if we open it in a full presentation view, right? So you can see that this is how it will look when you will present it to your students, right? So this is how you can move between the slides just as you do in with the presentation. So now you have designed your presentation. The next step is to download it, or if you want to share it with others, right? Or if you want to download it and then edit in the PowerPoint, add some animation according to your, then this is the option available. First, you have the option to download it as the PDF, right? So you can use it as the PDF format and share with your students, right? This is up to you. And then there is another option. Go to this option with 3 dots, and then you have the option to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see the options are available, but before you download, the one thing you should remember it, that there are few elements in canva.com which are paid, right? So if you get any option like this one when you are trying to download any document, that download with Canva Pro or pay and download, which simply means that there are some premium elements used in that template, and then you have to find them and replace them with the free one, right? So you can do that and then simply download the presentation and use it. So for that, I'm not going to waste time in this presentation, so we will use this presentation which is already ready to download. So simply go to this option and then go to Microsoft PowerPoint. So I've already removed all the paid elements from this presentation. Simply go to download, and now you will see it is now downloading a PowerPoint presentation which you have not designed on PowerPoint, right? So let's save it on the desktop, right? So save it, and now you can see that this presentation has been downloaded in the PPTX format, which is the default PowerPoint format for PowerPoint documents, right? So this is how you can design these beautiful and professional presentations without any designing skills, which looks good and people will always appreciate and will ask you that how did you do that. So let's open this file and see how does it look like. So now, as you can see, that presentation is downloaded and now it is available in PowerPoint, right? So let's see and open it in the slideshow mode, right? So you can see that presentation looks good, professional, clean, elegant, right? So you can then go back, edit it, and add some transitions, animation, whatever you want to do. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.